Ooh.
Oh,
what are you eyeing?
Oh. Kato.
Kato.
Kato. Most people here would call it Kato.
Kato, mate.
That's right. But it's a difference of how do you pronounce.
You got any Kato?
It's IKEA and IKEA, right? So
IKEA.
So the actual pronunciation is meant to be IKEA, right? But we say IKEA here.
Yeah.
And so same with this one. We say Kato here, but it's actually pronounced Kato. And Kato is a very famous brand of N-scale trains coming out of Japan.
And trams.
They do trams
too. Their trams.
And they also do HO.
And the Shizuoka. Did I say it right?
Shizuoka?
Yeah.
Well, I'll be in Shizuoka soon. Look at this.
Then they have a
This is what we call the booklets, right? Because it looks like a book.
Isn't it a book?
Now, when you see these in Japanese train stores, you just have a whole bunch of these, and they're just mounted up on all the shelves like this. They're tiny, those places.
Is it building plans?
You want to have a look? Let's go from the top camera, mate.
Wait, what are you're looking very sneaky.
I know. Because you got no idea what's in there.
You're aroused. It's going to be building plans.
Is it?
Oh, shut the front gate. Get out of town.
What is that?
That is, my friend, that is how you store your trains.
So this is a six-car set of a bullet train. This is the latest Nozomi 500 series. And with any luck, I'll be riding on one of these.
You will?
Shortly.
You'll ride it like Sea Biscuit.
Sea Biscuit. How's a biscuit last in the sea?
I think it's the name of a horse.
Oh, is it?
Can I touch it?
Yeah, go for it. So you'll notice that there's two locos here.
It's double-ended.
Okay, but one is a dummy.
Can you put it like that because it looks funny?
You could, but it doesn't look right. Actually, there's like 16 cars normally. They're hugely long.
This is the dummy one.
Is that the dummy one?
Yeah.
Okay, so this is a rolly, and this is the one with the working mechanism.
That could be car of the week.
Look how beautiful that is. Look at the shape of it.
I love how they store them.
Yeah, and that way, after you used it, you can just pop it away. You know, like HO ones, you can't really store in the original boxes, can you? They're not as well built as this.
Wow. So what do you mean? So you can buy lots of these, like books.
Yes. So if you don't buy the whole starter set, you can buy the train, and it comes like this. We've got little box ones, which are like the 3-car ones, but they don't come with the elaborate box. How good is it? Lovely.
Well, you've rocked my world.
Haven't I?
It takes a little bit to rock my world, but you, my friend, have done it.
How is that?
I don't know how this works. Where's the loco?
That is a loco, isn't it?
No.
One of them's powered.
No, it's not.
Oh, it'll be one of these then. The power unit is one of these.
You're just making things up.
To keep it.
Where's the heavy one? They're all light.
Yeah, one of them will be powered.
Oh, this
the
one.
Heavy one.
No. Oh, this
is that the heavy one?
This has got a bit of gas.
There it is. Is that the drive one?
Yeah. It looks very similar to the gear on the other thing.
On the Gopher? Nice, isn't it?
Wow. And it clicks together here. Oh, shut the no.
What are you doing? You're pushing stuff together.
Is that how it looks together?
Yeah, because they're really smooth.
No couplers?
Because these things are traveling at like 200 odd kilometers an hour.
I like that because it's a train set that I could play with at high speed.
You have it at 150%.
No grapes here, mate.
No, don't worry about 12 volts. We're doing 20.
I'd have it banked like a scale electric set.
You can get bank curves for these.
No.
Because real Shinkansen or bullet train track is curved because they don't vary the speed. They try to keep the speed up as much as they can. And going around a curve, well, you have to have them banked, otherwise they fly off.
There you go.
Did you like that?
I am more than just mildly impressed.
Kato. And the little booklet. Okay, so that's your storage box.
What does something like that go for?
Oh, I can't remember.
Thousands, surely.
It's not thousands.
It must be
like
thousands.
$500, I think.
No, it must be thousands. Look, and you store it like this.
That's it. And then it just goes in your bookcase.
If you were OCD, you'd love this.
Wouldn't you?
No, because you can
read right here.
You can read right, and you can have a whole shelf of them.
Yeah.
Got to get them all.
Yes.